Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to revise for the Terminal 1 exam. First of all, the portions. You have got 3 units for the terminal exam. First unit, prose, Two Gentlemen of Verona. Poem, The Castle. Supplementary reader, God sees the truth but waits. Second unit, prose, A Nice Cup of Tea. Poem, Our Casuarina Tree. Supplementary, Life of Pi. Third unit, prose, In Celebration of Being Alive. Poem, All the World's a Stage. Supplementary, The Hour of Truth. So you have got 3 units, the first 3 units for this terminal exam. So pattern for the terminal 1 exam. First of all, synonyms. You will be asked 3 synonyms, antonyms. And actually in this section there will be 21 marks. Each each question carries 1 mark. After synonyms and antonyms, foreign words, abbreviations and acronyms, compound words, prefixes and suffixes, British English and American English, phrasal verbs, sentence pattern, idioms and phrases, prepositions. I left out modal auxiliary. In this section, modal auxiliaries won't be asked for the terminal 1 exam. That's why I didn't read. Prepositions, homophones and confusables, syllabification, singular and plural, clipped word, blended word. Are you following? Clipped word, blended word, then and that's it. You'll be asked these topics in the 1 marks. I'll be giving it, I'll be posting it in the group once again, and then that 21 marks is followed by poetry appreciation. First 3 units, poetry appreciation and figures of speech also. So in this section you have to answer 7 questions, 7 2-mark questions. Understand the pattern. In this section you will be asked 7 2-mark questions. In the poetry appreciation you have to answer any 4 out of 5. 5 poetry appreciations will be given. Out of 5 you have to answer any 4. That includes figures of speech also and the grammar topics. Answer any 3 questions out of 4. So 4 questions out of 4 you have to answer any 3. So direct, indirect, active voice, passive voice, conditional clauses, inversion of conditional clauses, simple, compound and complex sentences is given here. But for the terminal 1 exam, concentrate only in active voice and passive voice, inversion of conditional clauses, inversion of conditional clauses, and rewrite using a conjunction. Okay, rewrite using conjunction. So these are the 3 topics you have to concentrate. No need to concentrate in direct and indirect, conditional clauses, simple, compound and complex. What you have to concentrate is active voice and passive voice, inversion of conditional clauses, and rewrite using a conjunction. So grammar topics you have to attend 3 questions. Poetry appreciation you have to attend 4 questions. Totally it makes 7 and each question carries 2 mark. The next one is reference to context, ERC. You have got 3 poems, 3 ERCs you'll be having. Out of 3 you have to answer any 2. So So each question carries 3 marks. There will be 7 questions in this part. We have to answer 7 questions in this part, and each question carries 3 marks. ERC, and then short answers from prose. Out of 3 you have to answer any 2, and each question carries 3 marks again. Okay, and so 2 plus 2 4. In this section 37 to 40 you have to answer any 3. What you have to concentrate is, you have to concentrate is dialogue writing, describing a process, expand the headlines, and complete the proverbs. Okay, describing a process, dialogue writing, completion of proverb, expand the headline. These are the things you have to concentrate. Out of 4 you have to select any 3, and each question carries 3 marks, so totally 9 marks. Is it clear? Okay, and then is answer all the questions, either or questions. In this section you will get not 7 questions, 5 questions into 5 marks is equal to 25 marks, because question paper is set for 80 marks, not 90 marks. Question paper is set for 80 marks. Okay, the first one is paragraph from prose. You have to study the paragraph from prose. Out of 2 you will be asked to write 1 paragraph. A question from poem. Out of 2 again you have to write any 1. The next one is paragraph question from supplementary reader. Out of 2 again you have to write any 1. Okay, each question carries 5 marks again. So the next one is, just concentrate on what I am saying. The next one is letter writing, personal official job application with the biodata. That will come. Okay, you have to study that. And the next one is spot the error. Spot the error. That question you have to study. Spot the error, or else you will get modal auxiliaries, semi-modals, tenses. Those questions you have to study. Actually, I'll show you a model question paper so that you will get an idea of what the question paper will be like. So these are the question patterns. I'll be sending you in PDF. So write down and study accordingly. Now we'll see a model question paper. Okay. So this is the model question paper. Time allowed is actually 2.5 hours. Maximum marks is 80 marks, not 90. Okay. The first one is synonyms. First 3, and you will get synonyms from the first 3 units. The next one is antonyms. Again, you will be asked 3 antonyms, and you will get antonyms from the first 3 units. So the first 3 units: Two Gentlemen of Verona, A Nice Cup of Tea, In Celebration of Being Alive. So these are the prose. From these 3 prose, you will be asked synonyms and antonyms. And then choose the meaning of the foreign word. So this is a foreign word, en route. So you have to write the meaning of the foreign word, and I will be sending you the PDF of foreign word. The next one is choose the correct expansion of the abbreviation. You know. The next one is compound word. Choose the correct compound word that can be placed after the word soft. Placed after the word. So like this, compound words will be given, and you have to answer compound words. Choose a suitable meaning for the underline idiom in the following sentence, idioms, and you have to answer American English, British English, sentence pattern. Sentence pattern, a sentence will be given like this, and you have to identify the pattern. Meenu is a doctor in London. Okay, choose the unclipped form of teen. What is the unclipped form of teen? Teen. So this is actually a clipped word. Next one is prefix and suffix. Singular and plural you will be having. Singular and plural. And choose the monosyllabic word. Syllabification. You will be having syllabification. Blended word. Breathalyzer. So what is the blended form of breathalyzer? Breathe plus analyzer. Breath plus analyze. Breath plus analyzer. Breathing plus analyze. So what is the blended form of breathalyzer? That will be asked. So in this terminal 1 you don't have question tags, okay, but you have to study it later. Next one is answer any 7 of the following, and in this section of, as I already told you, you have to answer any 7 appreciation questions. So read the following sets of poetic lines and answer any 4. So 5 appreciations will be given, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Out of 5 you have to answer any 4. Okay, appreciation includes alliteration, figures of speech and everything. See, in some things in question number 22, pick out the alliterated word, and all the men and women merely players. So what is the alliterated word? Alliteration is a repetition of consonant sound. Alliteration is a repetition of consonant sound. Okay, so alliterated words you have to study, but again you will be asked questions from the first 3 poems. What are the first 3 poems? Do you remember the title of the first 3 poems? The first 3 unit poems? What is the first one? The Castle. Second one, Our Casuarina Tree. Third one, All the World's a Stage. From these 3 poems, you will be asked appreciation and also figures of speech question. So 23, identify the figure of speech. 24 also there is a figure of speech. So study figure of speech and also alliterated words. Next one is section B. In this section you are asked to answer any 3. As I already told you, in this terminal 1 exam you don't have direct and indirect. You don't have direct and indirect, but you have active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice you have. They have made a film based on this novel. So they have active voice and passive voice. Concentrate in active voice and passive voice. And inversion, you don't have if class again, you have inversion. Begin with the had, where, should, begin with the have, where, should. So inversion you have. So active voice and passive voice, inversion, and combine the sentence. You will be given a conjunction like but or and. So you have to combine the sentence using but or and or some other words. Okay, so each question carries 2 mark here. Each is equal to 6. 3 question into 2 is equal to 6. And the next part is answer any 7 of the following. Explain any 2 of the following with reference to context. This is ERC and you have to answer any 2 out of 3. Again, this will be asked from the poem. 3 poems you have, and you have to write reference, context and explanation. Reference, context, explanation, you have to write reference. These lines are taken from the poem The Castle, written by Edwin Muir. Like that, you have to write context and explanation, and you need to write. Do you understand? And in this section you will be asked 3 questions, 31, 32 and 33 ERC. Out of 3 you have to write any 2, answer any 2. The next one is answer any 2 of the following questions. This is from prose short answers. Short answers, each question carries 3 mark. Remember, this is not 2 mark question. You should not write in 1 or 2 lines. This is a 3-mark question, so you have to answer accordingly. In order to get 3 marks, you have to answer. Okay, don't write 1 or 2 lines and don't expect 3 marks out of it. So you have to write for 3 marks, and these questions will be asked from the prose, as you know well. Okay, I'm just actually reminding you all these things. Some of you might have forgotten, so that's why. Next one is section C. Answer any 3 of the following. Expand the following headlines. So onion price goes up, plastic carry bags banned in shops, and questions like that will be given. You have to expand the headlines. Expand the headlines is already taught to you, and you have written some of the sentences also, some of the headlines also, and you have expanded it also. Next one is dialogue writing. Here students are asked to write a dialogue of at least 10 utterances between a politician and a citizen. Likewise, you will be asked dialogue writing, and in this section you will be asked proverbs. Complete the proverbs. Okay, describing a process you will be asked. Describing a process also you will be asked. Describe the process of making a cup of tea. Likewise, you will be asked a question, and there is no rearrange, and in this terminal 1 exam you will be having complete the proverbs. Proverbs will be given like in the fill in the blanks type, like knowledge is dash, and you have to answer the proverbs, complete the proverbs. Do you understand what I'm saying here? Okay, and each question carries 3 mark. Again, each question in this section carries 3 mark. Expand the following headlines. Dialogue writing, describing the process, complete the proverb. Out of 4 you have to write any 3. The next one is answer in a paragraph any one of the following from 2 paragraphs. From actually you have got 3 prose. From those 3 prose you will be asked 2 questions, and out of 2 you have to write any 1. I'm making it very simple, so study accordingly. The next one is answer in a paragraph any one of the following. From the poem you will be asked 2 questions, 2 paragraphs, and out of 2 you have to write any 1. Okay, paragraph question. The next one is answer in a paragraph any one of the following. Describe how the remainder remember Caesar and Richard Parker. Actually you have got first 3 units. What are the first 3? Supplementary reader. God sees the truth but waits. The next one is Life of Pi. The third one is The Hour of Truth. From these 3 supplementary reader you will be asked 2 paragraphs, and you have to, out of 2 you have to answer any 1. Okay, is it clear? Okay, from prose, poem, supplementary reader you will be having paragraph, and each question carries 5 marks. Presentation is very important, so present it well. The next one is spot the error. Spot the error. We already discussed about spot the error. So spot the error and you have to write it correctly. Next one is do as directed. You'll be asked to write suitable tense form, modal verb, semi-modals, and use the appropriate word. Homophones also you will be having in this exam, and each question carries 5 mark again. So all the study materials will be sent to you. Study it well, and presentation is very important. Again, present it well. Okay, and these are all the questions. This is actually a model question. Remember, question paper will be asked only for 80 marks. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you contact me. Thank you.